Hello friends, my name is Harish. Welcome in my video series on shell scripting. So in this video I'll explain you how to use the arithmetic operations in shell scripting. So first we will see which are the arithmetic operations. So I have just listed some arithmetic operations. So this is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, these assignment, equality and not equality. So these are the some arithmetic operations. So one thing you just keep in your mind, so shell scripting is unable to perform some the mathematical operations, or you can say complex operations. So here to perform these operations we have this program expression. So AXPR, that is the program that we use here for the arithmetic operations. Second thing, again here it is again unable to do some fractional the division, so it is unable. So here to use this such kind of the fractional divisions, so we use awk programming. So we'll see one example for these operations. So I'll open one terminal and first I'll create one file using the touch command. So clear touch arithmetic.sh. so this file will be created here. So now this file is created. I'll open one more terminal here. So here I can write my program. Now I'll enter in my folder this. So I'll open this arithmetic.sh. now I'll take one simple example. So when bash, so this is your starting line. So I'll do simple program. So echo enter two numbers, read A, read B. So I am reading two the numbers and doing some calculation. Suppose this, and see this is kind of single quote here. So on this keyboard this key is above tab key, so don't use that single quote just close to that enter key or shift key. Do not use this. So you just use that key which is above the tab key. So there this single quote is there, then expression, then give space $a, then again space is required here. If you are not providing space, so this will not work, $b, and again closing this. And now echo addition as %c. Now we'll see, compile save it, and here again I'll write this arithmetic.sh. again I'll say this will not run because we don't have that executable permission here, so it will deny your permission. So again I need to change that. So change mod x arithmetic.sh, so you get the permission. Now you can run your program here. Enter two number 10, 20, so addition is 30, right? Same thing for other also. I'll say c equals to single quote expression $a minus $b, then single quote close. Now again echo subtraction is $c, then again C equals to single quote expression space $a, and see here you cannot use direct this multiplication. So here to use this multiplications you need to use this, then you can use this multiplication. Then echo multiplication $c, then here we can say division C equals to single quote expression $a, then again for here you need to use such a symbol, then $b echo division $c. Now save it, run it, and run it. So enter two numbers, suppose 20, 10. So see, addition is correct, subtraction is also correct, multiplication is also correct, and in division we have some kind of error. So it is saying end of file is not proper. So we'll see. Now see here, this the single quote is there, but it has not been ended here, this one. Now save it, compile, and run it here, so it will run properly. I think 20, 10. Now see that program is running perfectly. So hope so you like my video. So please subscribe it, share it, and like it. Thank you very much.